Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. And in today's video, we will talk about how COVID-19 will transform the automation landscape. In this video, we'll cover the introduction of this topic, navigating through tough times, signals from the current financial markets, help of RPA platforms in COVID situation, the situation in near future, market reports and predictions, and conclusion. New age disruption is one of the great booms offered by Industry 4.0 technologies. When most of the industries have slowed down due to economic recession induced by coronavirus, unsung heroes like robotic process automation are moving forward to offer recession-proof operations. Full implementation across various sectors during COVID-19 has embarked on the upsurge in future demand undeniably. Navigating through tough times. Experts predict that economic recession in the future will augment the global adoption of automation capabilities, enabling RPA. Experts warn of an imminent global recession exacerbated by 13 trillion global stockpile of negative yielding debt. In this downturn, business will need to find new ways to increase efficiency, drive revenue, and meet customer needs. With 85% of the RPA market still untapped, the economic slowdown will encourage all businesses to dive into automation. In fact, for companies like Automation Anywhere, current customers are already increasing investment to hedge against declining economy. Signals from the current financial market. Signals from the current financial market don't paint an optimistic picture. The fall of long-term interest rates and recreation of corporate investment reflects increasing instability from global tensions, conflicts, and trade wars. If consumers' fear takes hold and demand collapses further, the world will be facing much greater recession than of 2008. Normally, organizations would lay off employees and struggle through, but automation is demonstrating new ways forward. As business face the realities of working in an economic downturn, Guy Crickwood of UiPath predicts they will adapt their business models with automation, which will enable them to scale up robots rather than scale down human employees. Help of RPA platforms. Furthermore, companies like UiPath are heavily investing right now in helping combat the spread of COVID-19 with the help of its RPA platform and providing customers timely support as they transition to new operating models. Never has there been more need for software robots to assist hospitals with huge volumes of medical test processing or the public authorities with navigating the welfare arrangements for people in the need of timely solutions, or the retailers with onboarding thousands of employees that are needed quickly to aid in the crisis. UiPath predicts as business face the realities of working in an economic downturn in the future, they adapt their business models with automation enabling them to scale up robots rather than scale down human employees. In the near future, RPA will drive business to be less dependent on individual employee circumstances. Even if one cannot ignore human factor, which determines the creative conscience of a daily necessary work life, some assignments would need to be done fast and without any mistakes. Here, RPA has a fast and flexible way to replicate employee-driven process with script will prove its worth. With RPA in your hands, you can delegate the critical process to automation and stop stressing about its accuracy. Organizations that have implemented automation previous to this crisis will likely to have an easier time dealing with the nuisances of the setting up remote work, keep up with similar levels of productivity by relying on automated back office activities, helping overwhelmed customer support staff with attended automation or front office bots, creating to increase or decrease of supply chain demand and in many other ways that can help them weather these turbulent times with the help of automated business processes. Market reports predict that RPA will enable public sector institutions to leverage automation more often to distribute funds to those in need more efficiently, automating qualification and validation processes, updating public health data in real time, scrapping online inventories, etc. Schools and universities will be using automation at the extent to automate their class scheduling activities in bulk licensing of remote video conference, tools for online classes, distributing relevant resources for international students, etc. We come to the end of this video. We would like to say that we have observed that the current COVID-19 pandemic is more likely to bring about changes in the work style of consumers and clients. RP as a recession-proof technology will cater to their needs every time. Hey guys, if you like to learn more about automation or automation technologies like Blue Prism, UiPath, WorkFusion, or Win Automation, you can contact us. If you're a non-technical person, we have RP Business Analyst training for you. If you are interested in any of these technologies, please contact us on 900 480 9189.